No, actually, because this is before she enters, you're actually in the space by yourself. So you're actually kind of sleeping, but not sleeping. You don't have a motive to move, because you've already... Would you open your arms, or imagine you want to self-soothe yourself? You're not yet. I just feel like you're not comfortable right now.
The way it might be very hard to lose it again. So always with any screw on the tripod or anything regarding cameras, equipment, just it has to be tight enough. When you feel it's enough, it means it's enough. It will not move. But if you really force it, it's gonna be a problem. So this is how